Hello and good afternoon. I'm Miss Matthews and I am coming to you from Hayes K8. And we're going to be doing our retake study guide to help us complete that so we can get that done. So, on our retake study guide, our very first question, and remember, I will, watch me because we're going to get this passed this time. We're going to work hard and we're going to do right. So it says, write each expression using exponents. So we have -4. Looks like, how many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So -4 to the 6th power times we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 1, 2, 3 fives. 3 fives. So which answer looks like what we wrote down? Well, C. C is our answer. C is the correct answer. So next, it says evaluate. We have -4 to the 4th power. That means -2. It's a -2 to the 4th power. So that means -2 times -2 times -2 times -2, all to the 4th power. -2 times -2 is 4. This -2 times -2 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. So our answer is B. You could also use your calculator, which is fine. You need help there. So here it says replace the circle with less than, greater than, or equal to. And this one's a little tricky. It's a little tricky, so you had to make sure you did it correctly. So I went to my calculator and I put in 5.8 and then hit square root. You see that square root button? And I got 2.75, and that's what we already got, but it has a 9 if you saw. 2.275. 9. This one would be 2.275 because if there's nothing there, it's a terminating decimal, you add a 0. So 9 is definitely bigger than a 0. So this should have been greater than. So A. So if you got that wrong, it's okay. You can get it right. You can get it right. All right, so we're going to find the product or a quotient and express using exponents. So we're going to express these using exponents. So what that means is that we're going to use our product of a power rule, which says when the bases are the same, we add the exponents. So I know I can add 3 plus 5, which is 8. 5 to the 8th power. So that is A. Same with x. X is the base. 7 plus 5 is 12. So it becomes x to the 12th power. That is B. Next, these two next to 6 and 7 are division. So we're not going to add our quotient of a power exponent, say when the bases are the same. We don't add, we subtract. So 10 minus 2 is 8. So -4 to the 8th power. So C. Last but not least, U is the base is 10. So 10 minus 4 is 6. So A, B, C, D. And then it did C, B, A the other way. C, B, A, B, C, D were your answers for 1 through 7. Let's go on to the next page. Okay. So, number 8, simplify using the laws of exponents. That's what both sets things say. But I notice that I have two bases like the product of power says. But I have these numbers in front. What they're called? Coefficients. They're being multiplied times our variable. So they're coefficients. So we're going to multiply those two numbers together since they're to the first power. And our exponents are on our variable, which is m. So I'm going to do 4 plus 3, just like I did on the previous page. -2 times 3 is a positive 6. M to the 7th power, because 4 plus 3 is 7. And that's our answer. That's it. We can't do anything to m because we don't know what it is. 9. We have 55 q to the 9th power divided by negative 11 q to the 5th. It's division. So we're not going to add the exponents. We're going to subtract. And all we have to do is divide our coefficients here. So I'm going to leave 5 divided by negative 11. Q is 9 minus 5. So 5 divided by negative 11 is a negative 5Q. And 9 minus 5 is 4. Positive 4. So that's our answer. All right, so here, let's read it. And that way you'll know it's not product of a power. M to the 3rd power to the 7th power. The key word there is I said power and then power. So we have a rule with power of a power. You don't add the exponents, you multiply. Remember, that's all on my window in the classroom and in your interactive notebook. So 3 times 7 is 21. M to the 21st power. 21 M's. That's a lot. All right. So now we have 4 times C to the 7th power. So C's to the 7th power, not the 4. And it's all to the 4th power. So 4 is just to the 1st power. There's just 1 there. So 4 times 1 is just 4. And then C times 4. So here, we're going to do 4 to the 4th power over in the corner. 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. No, it's not. 4 times 4, which is 16. No. 4 times 4 is 16, yes. 4 times 4 is 16. Now it's 16 times 16. When I go to my calculator, I get 256. 256. So this is 256. C, 7 times 4 is 28. So 256C to the 28th power. Let's look at these next little word problems, because you got words you don't know how to do. A cube side measures 7 times x to the 3rd power, y to the 2nd power inches. What is the volume of the cube? This word cube, we talked about it. Even volume means to the 3rd power. So I'm going to take everything to the 3rd power. So that means 7, which is just a 1. So 7 to the 3rd power. Y is 3 times 3. X is 3 times 3. Y is 3 times 2. See, Miss Matthews getting messed up with these words. I'm going to go to the side. 7 times 7 is 49. 49 times 7 is 343. Ooh. 343. X is 9. It's 3 times 3, which is 9. 2 times 3 is 6 inches. And no, it's not inches cubed. Well, it is inches cubed, because it's asking for the volume, so we need to change that. So let's change that. I'm going to change it to where it says inches cubed, because it's talking about volume, not just measuring. Inches cubed, because you got to take inches to the 3rd power too. We took everything else to the 3rd power. Why not inches? All right, so now we have a square side. No, that's not cubed or to the 3rd power. Square is to the 2nd power, yes. I hear you over there. I hear you. To the 3rd power. It's to the 2nd power. B's to the 3rd power, and then everything's to the 2nd power. So that means 4 to the 2nd power. A is 4 times 2. B is 3 times 2. 4 to the 2nd power is easy. It's 4 times 4, which is 16. It's not 8, it is 16. So erase if you got that. Okay, so we're coming to the end of our video. We're going to finish this up on the next video. Okay, we're going to finish that up on the next video. So catch me on the next side.